It's Mirza boy, the king of fame. Rain is falling in my head. So many words I've never said. Every night I close my eyes, searching for a brighter sky. Broken dreams are all I see. Still they never bury me. I won't run, I won't hide. There's still fire deep inside. It's raining inside my head, but I'm still standing, not defeated yet. Every tear becomes my flame. I'll get stronger through the pain. It's raining inside my head, but hope is not completely dead. One more step, one more day. I know I'll find another way. Every scar has made me grow more than anybody knows. When the darkness calls my name, I keep walking through the rain. Even when the road is cold, I won't let my heart grow old. Hear my voice above the storm, I'm still fighting to be reborn. It's raining inside my head, but I'm still standing, not defeated. Every tear becomes my flame. I'll get stronger through the pain. It's raining inside my head, but hope is not completely dead. One more step, one more day. I know I'll find another way. No more fear, no more lies. I can see the morning rise. Even if I lose it all, I will answer every call. The rain may never disappear, but I won't live my life in fear. Stand up, hold on, keep your heart beating strong. Rise up, fight on, this is where I belong. It's raining inside my head, but I'm stronger than the words I've said. Every storm will fade away. Light is coming with the day. It's raining inside my head, but I know I'm not defeated yet. I'll keep moving, I'll keep climbing high until I touch the open sky. This is Mirza boy, signing out, the king of fame. Rain is falling, I still breathe. Hope is something I won't leave. One day all these clouds will part, the sun will shine inside my